Today we're making slime. Today we have Elmer slime starter kit. You can buy it anywhere. All shops seem to have it. It comes with clear washable glue, Elmer's magical liquid, and we've got some glitter glue pens to colour all your slimes.
Yeah.
Instructions come on the back. Today we'll just be following the instructions on how to make this.
And then we're making it.
What do you guys reckon? What colours do you guys want to do your slimes?
Blue.
Pink.
Pink. That's mine.
And what do you want, Penny?
Red.
Red?
Okay. Yeah. My big ball of doom.
A spoon.
It's a big ball of doom.
There's no dooms in there. You're lying.
Okay, I'm dying. I'm lying. So Dad, it's so exciting.
Alright guys, so the first instruction says pour out entire bottle of Elmer's clear glue.
A
So
ton.
let's pour the whole bottle in.
Okay, can I try it? Can I try it? Can I try it?
But I'm the biggest
Can
one.
I try it? Alright.
Yes.
What can I spin? It's like Ryan. It's like Ryan.
Oh, oh,
Ew, this glue bubble.
oh, make sure it's all out. Make sure everything's in the bowl.
Come on, glue, get out. Oh my god, this is too hard.
A little bit left in there.
There's more glue. Washable clear.
We also put some cling wrap on the table so we don't make too much of a mess. It's easy to clean up, easy to
Okay,
tidy.
that's
Alright,
it.
keep squeezing.
Alright. My muscles.
Yeah, let Daddy help you.
I'm getting more opening. Yeah, it's a little weird in here. Is that glue or something? Okay.
Alright, give Daddy a little turn. Just get me all mixed up.
Thanks, Dad. Let it make her. Shake her.
And make it.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Next instruction, it tells you to put a whole bottle of magical liquid inside.
Okay. So that's Penny. So you pour it out. Okay.
Alright, can you pour it out, Penny?
Yes, Dada. A lot.
Yep.
Pour
it in.
the-
It
pour
says
the whole
pour a whole bottle.
Pour a whole bottle. Alright.
Whoop. Whoop.
Good.
Put the bottle on the side.
Other side.
Then
Alright, now mix.
Again.
again, it's moving harder and harder. Whoa, it's turning to slime now. Look at that.
Whoa.
Oh my god, it's turning to slime.
Okay.
That's turning to slime. That's turning to slime now. My one's already
Keep
turning.
mixing.
That is why it's turning back into slime already.
Show us your slime, Penny.
Mine's getting worse, sir.
How do you do that around the ball?
Round.
Oh my god, I have my slime.
That's ready.
Alright. Did you mix in all the liquid?
Yeah, I mixed a little bit. Wait.
Alright.
Wait. Do I dry?
What do you do now?
Now pick it up.
Alright, do I take the whole bowl of it? Okay.
Pick it up, let it hold thing.
I had to wash my hands already.
I didn't wash my hands by accident.
Okay, I'm scared as well. I'm gonna take all the whole slime out.
Put in my arm, Dad. Put in my
Take
arm.
the
Put
slime.
in my arm.
Eh.
Yes, Felicia.
Yes, Felicia. Oh, ew, let's do it.
My dog haven't seen this.
This is already sticking on me.
I didn't wash my hands before.
Oh, my one's still sticky.
Alright, you gotta keep playing with it until it goes hard.
Hi Dad, you're next to me today. Hey, next to me.
So, the end result
At the door.
of the slime,
It's a lotion.
you gotta keep playing with it, kneading it to get it to this stage. It is very, very sticky.
And that's taking
Hello
the
guys, I'm back.
We've got it to a state where we can play with it now.
Now can I have it now, Daddy?
Still very stretchy.
And
Sticky
sticky for toys.
Is it sticky for me?
And
Is it good now? Good slime. Yes.
today we tested out Elmer slime. This is our outcome of the slime. Stretchy, gooey.
Sticky.
It's very sticky.
Well, less sticky. Well, a little sticky, right?
And so
Very
beautiful.
glittery. Very beautiful.
Really nice. Looks cool.
And every color if you want.
Please subscribe to this channel. And I hope you have a wonderful time.